So I want to show you today something how AI is helping you with design, but it's also causing problem for the manufacturers. Yes, we understand that you get the uh, great looking products, but in to make them into reality, uh, you have to consider a lot of things. If you see here, a guy sent me this mock-up. Okay, it's AI designed, if you see, and I have been labeling it uh, to tell him that what are the limitations here in the design and how this design can work. You see here, this is a very good looking design from a customer point of view, but the thing here, you notice that this golden piping isn't going anywhere from here. Okay, and the stitchings are being stopped here, not going all the way around the well. Embroidery, this part, or it is screen printing. Is this screen printing or this is embossing? This looks like embossing. So the thing here is, yes, we understand AI makes it a lot of easier for you, but to make it into reality, uh, we have to see a lot of things. This is another example. If you see here, there are stitchings here, and we can see there are 3 stitches here, and there are 2 stitches here, and the stitches are here too. And these golden lines, from the pictures, it looks like not screen printing, not even embroidery. It is something else. The AI has just made it, and we have to make sure that how this design should be achieved via embroidery or screen printing. How we can judge is this AI design or not? If you see here, this piping goes from here and it doesn't go here. This is something here, and I don't know what this is. Okay, this is not the usual thing that happens in the boxing gloves. A manufacturer really needs design for manufacturing files. Okay, that specifically designed for manufacturing, where you tell us how much thickness this design should be. Okay, and how these things should align, the spacing in between them, and these kind of things. Because if you don't, we will just keep guessing it. Okay, so if you see here, we are trying to copy this into a practical situation. The guy wanted this golden design to be in a screen printing. Okay, to do screen printing, as he said, we have to design an Illustrator Corel Draw file. Okay, so a vector file basically, where we have this pattern for the wrist part. Okay, this is the wrist part pattern digitized, and we have to place those lines here, and we have to guess the thickness of the lines. Okay, to achieve that, if you see here, this is something, this looks different from screen printing, and from that, the point I am trying to make here is that you to get things manufactured, you need a lot more than AI designs. Okay, to make sure that your samples are perfectly made according to your desires. Because when a manufacturer gets this kind of information, he just speculate things, and he try to make those samples. And when you get those samples, there are some misalignment according to what the image you have in your mind. So the designers can help you with that. If you are thinking about designing a new glove or want something, first start with the designer, sit with him, nail down your fonts, your lines perfectly, and give that file to us. We will just print it out and just start doing the work, because without wasting any time. Okay, if you don't do it, we have to do it, because this is how the things work. And if we do it, you will not be in constant communication with us, so we will just keep trying to do things, and we'll keep showing you things. So the better the information, the precise the information, the better the execution. I hope this clarifies.